On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2021 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 32 BHS. Gather the family and head out to your favorite campground with this sporty and fun travel trailer. With an oversized lighted pass-through storage compartment, there is plenty of room to pack up all your gear. Once you've arrived at your destination, it's easy to set up the 2 slide-outs and the huge lighted power awning. With all that shade, you'll enjoy making meals at the outside kitchen area. Once you make your way to the interior, you'll appreciate that the Autumn Ridge has no carpet or floor heat registers, which makes it kid and pet friendly. The kids will probably be running around outside all day, but when they are ready to come in, they'll have their own private bunkhouse with triple bunks and a dinette to enjoy. The pass-through bathroom has all the amenities you need to freshen up after a long day of fun. You can then take a nap on your own queen-size bed in the private front bedroom. After everyone is well rested, gather in the main living and kitchen area to play games at the booth dinette and relax on the jackknife sofa. The Starcraft Autumn Ridge travel trailer has been designed just for you. With maximized space and residential amenities, this travel trailer offers comfort for the entire family while on the road. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.